Okay, let's say you want to celebrate Christmas, but you don't have a Christmas tree. Let's create one. And along the way, I will show you some cool techniques. First of all, a cylinder, then a center circle. Shift deduplicate the center circle. SS, make it smaller. Loft both circles with L. Then Shift J this one with G0 continuity. This one G1 continuity. So we have a cool rounded cap. This one we can simply fill it. Bring this further down. Let's take both solids, join them. And now we want to have some decoration, obviously. So therefore, in face mode, select this face and press F, type in unwrap face. So we have the unwrapped version of this face. And now we can place some decoration on top of this face and project it back to this curved surface. So hide this guy, deactivate it, and let's create a star. And in order to create the star, let's create a polygon with 10 edges. Add and subtract vertices with this wheel up or down, or simply arrow. And in control point mode, select every other vertex and simply press SS. And there we have a star. And I got this awesome tip from this guy who always drives away after making a quick tutorial. And we can also round the corners by pressing BD after selecting every control point. SS, make it smaller. Bring back our solid. Okay, now from top view, let's place some more of these stars on the unwrapped sheet. And we can also use the place command for that. Control D, enter, enter. Of course, you can play with the rotation by pressing A, or you can do it afterwards. If you press escape, now comes the fun part. Select all the stars. Therefore, let's lock the sheet. Unlock it. So we don't select the sheet. We will use it when running the Deform command. So press F, look for Deform. Now Plasticity asks for a neutral plane. That will be the one which we have unwrapped, this plane. And the target face to deform with, that's the one which we will project the stars onto. So in this case, it's this one. And here you can see that we have a projection, but it doesn't look that cool because it's stretched. So therefore, let's make a square out of this unwrapped face. Let's scale it along the x-axis, SX. And I will also play with the location of the stars. And again, let's run the deform command. Select all the stars. I will lock this sheet again for selecting just the stars. Unlock the sheet. Then F and deform. Select again the neutral plane and then the target face. They still look skewed, but I leave them as they are for now because I want to show you something else. Shift D, copying these stars, and press R for rotating, but change the pivot with V. Put the gizmo to the center and rotate this guy. And also play with the location of these stars. Okay, now let's imprint the stars on the tree. And therefore, let's select the tree. Run the imprint command with Shift I. And let's select the curves. First of all, I will turn off the X-ray. And Shift select some stars, not all of them. If you select all of them, Plasticity might give you an error. That's what happened to me. That's why I have turned off the X-ray mode and will run the command several times, not all at once. Hide occlusion is very important so it doesn't project the curves to the other side. So let's activate hide occlusion and press OK. You can hide all the stars which you already have projected. Let's hide them. And the most important thing is, while running the imprint curve command, Make sure that the edges are activated so you see if they are projected. Let's do the same here. And again, select the tree, Shift I, Shift select the stars. Very important, hide occlusion and press OK. Now we can extrude these stars along their normals. When selecting a face in face mode, the offset face command pops up automatically, so you don't need to do anything else. Just extrude them. Of course, the stars at the bottom, they look a little bit skewed, and I'm too late with this video for Christmas 2024, but I did it anyhow.